Stop what you're doing. This is huge. Pi Network might finally be getting listed on Binance this Pi Day, March 14th. If that happens, we could see a major shift in the crypto space. But wait, it gets even crazier. Hyundai is rumored to be accepting Pi as payment for their cars. Imagine buying a brand new vehicle with Pi. Sounds incredible, right? But is this the real deal, or just another overhyped rumor? Stick around because I'm breaking down all the facts, separating truth from speculation, and revealing what this could mean for Pi holders. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Rumors are spreading like wildfire in the Pi Network community after Binance posted a cryptic tweet featuring a video sign with a clock set at the 4th hour. Some sharp-eyed users quickly pointed out a possible connection to March 14th, 3.14, widely celebrated as Pi Day. Could this be Binance subtly hinting at a long-awaited Pi listing? Binance has a well-documented history of dropping clues before major announcements, especially when it comes to listing new cryptocurrencies. This latest teaser has sent the Pi community into a frenzy, fueling speculation that Pi Network might finally be recognized on one of the world's largest crypto exchanges. And if history is any indication, Binance doesn't list just any project, they invest millions into assets with strong potential. If this listing becomes reality, it could be a game changer. Binance's massive liquidity, global reach, and millions of active traders could catapult Pi Network into the mainstream, potentially driving its price to new highs. However, is this just wishful thinking, or is there solid evidence behind the speculation? Stay tuned as we break down the facts and uncover whether Pi Network is truly on the verge of its biggest breakthrough yet. Pi Network has just experienced a significant price drop, falling 33% from $3 to around $1.95. While this might seem alarming at first, seasoned crypto investors know that retracements like this are a normal part of market cycles. In fact, they often present some of the best buying opportunities before the next big move. So, what's behind this sudden dip? Large investors, commonly known as whales, have been offloading their Pi holdings, triggering a wave of panic selling among smaller retail investors. This is a classic market manipulation tactic. Big players dump their holdings, causing fear-driven selling, only to buy back in at a lower price before the next leg up. History has shown that those who panic sell during these moments often regret it later, while those who buy the dip tend to come out ahead. The bigger picture remains incredibly bullish for Pi Network. The open mainnet has been live for just 8 days, meaning the project is still in its early stages of price discovery. But the real game changer could be just around the corner, a Binance listing. If Binance officially supports Pi trading, it could unleash a flood of new investors, dramatically increasing liquidity and pushing the price back toward, or even beyond, its previous highs. So, is this just another pullback, or the perfect chance to accumulate before the next explosive rally? Keep your eyes on the charts, because things could get interesting very soon. Now, let's dive into one of the most exciting, and controversial, rumors circulating in the Pi Network community. Reports have surfaced suggesting that Hyundai is accepting Pi as payment for cars in Vietnam. If true, this could mark a massive step toward mainstream adoption of Pi as a legitimate digital currency. But is this really happening, or is it just another internet-fueled speculation? The buzz started after a video surfaced online, allegedly showing a Hyundai dealership in Vietnam displaying the Pi Network app for transactions. The footage quickly went viral, igniting enthusiasm among Pi supporters who see this as proof that major brands are beginning to recognize Pi's potential as a payment method. But here's the catch: Hyundai's official channels have yet to confirm this claim. There's been no public statement from Hyundai Motor Company or any verified branch supporting this news. Without an official confirmation, it's unclear whether this is a genuine company-wide initiative or simply an independent dealership experiment. That being said, the possibility of a global brand like Hyundai embracing Pi is still worth discussing. If a major automaker officially integrates Pi into its payment system, it could legitimize the currency, increase adoption, and encourage other businesses to follow suit. This would be a game changer, bringing real-world utility to Pi holders and proving that Pi Network isn't just another speculative digital asset. So, is Hyundai's rumored Pi payment acceptance the beginning of a financial revolution, or just another unverified claim? We'll be keeping a close eye on official announcements, but one thing's for sure, the conversation around Pi's adoption is getting louder, and major brands may not be able to ignore it for long. With all the recent buzz surrounding Pi Network, many analysts and crypto enthusiasts are predicting that Pi's price could double, or even surpass previous highs, very soon. But is this realistic, or just wishful thinking? Let's break down the major catalysts that could fuel a massive price surge in 2025. Key factors that could drive Pi's growth. Binance listing on March 14, speculation, but highly likely. A potential Binance listing on Pi Day, March 14, has sparked excitement within the Pi community. Binance is one of the largest and most influential crypto exchanges, and if Pi gets officially listed, it would mean increased liquidity, mainstream exposure, and a surge in new investors. Pi's growing adoption and transaction volume. As Pi's open mainnet gains traction, real-world adoption is picking up. More businesses and individuals are beginning to transact with Pi, which strengthens its use case as a functional digital currency rather than just a speculative asset. New exchange listings and higher trading volume. Pi Network is already making waves, and if more exchanges list Pi in the coming months, it could drive higher demand, increased market stability, and a steady price climb. The more platforms that support Pi trading, the easier it becomes for investors and businesses to integrate it into daily transactions. Pi Network's massive user base, a sleeping giant? Pi Network has already attracted over 500 million users, making it one of the largest crypto communities in the world. If businesses, retailers, and even global brands begin accepting Pi for payments, it could revolutionize the way digital currencies are adopted. A strong network effect could push Pi's value even higher, especially as demand grows and availability remains limited. Should you buy, hold, or wait? If you're already holding Pi, patience could pay off. With key developments on the horizon, it's worth keeping an eye on major announcements, particularly regarding exchange listings and adoption by businesses. If you're considering buying Pi, now might be the time to do your research. Crypto markets are highly volatile, and while Pi has incredible potential, it's always important to make informed decisions rather than jumping in based on hype alone. Whatever happens, 2025 is shaping up to be a defining year for Pi Network. If the momentum continues and adoption accelerates, we could witness one of the biggest success stories in crypto history. Stay tuned. This could be just the beginning. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe Pi Network will surge past $10 after a potential Binance listing? Will this be the catalyst that sends Pi to the moon, or is the hype getting ahead of reality? Some analysts are predicting a massive price spike, while others warn that speculation could lead to short-term volatility. What do you think? Will Pi's listing bring long-term value, or is this just another overhyped rumor? Drop your predictions below, and let's get the discussion going. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. We'll be covering all the latest news, price predictions, and real-world adoption developments surrounding Pi Network. See you in the next one. Stay informed and stay ahead.